To create alphabet coloring book in Canva, let's come over to this plus sign here and go over to custom size. We want to change the unit of our measurement to inch because we want a US letter, and the size of a US letter is 8.5 by 11 inch, and we're going to click on create new design. And our new design has opened in the editor. First thing I like to do is to give my document a name, and from here I want to start to design my coloring book. Go to the element tab here in the object panel, and if I click on the element tab, I want to begin to search illustrations of the alphabet I want. So A is for apple. I'm going to click here and I'll search for apple. I'll click on apple and you will see all this apple come up. We're going to go over to graphics and we'll begin to see all these apple options. I will select this free apple here and I'm going to just resize it a bit and place it here. If I want them to color it into this, I will click on that little apple and resize it a bit. Oh, I clicked on it twice, and I will take this one off for it to sit here. And let me pull this here, and I will go over to my text here and I will click on add title or add a text box from here. Now I want to type in what I want the text to be. So I'll type in my letters, which is A, and I will go here and make it all caps. And I'll click out of the text box, click back into it, and come over here and make the size to be 350. I'll enter that, and you see my text box has increased because I also want them to color this text box too. And I will go over to effect and I will choose the holo effect, and I will take the thickness of the holo effect to come down to 10. I want them to also color it this red. You might leave your instruction at the beginning of the page, which I would add in a new page here and move this up. This should be for your cover page or your cover design, but this one we're going to duplicate this page so that we don't have to resize this text box again. And we'll come here and we'll change this to B. And when we come over to here, we want to select what B cannot be apple. So we'll click this and we'll delete this, and we'll click this and we'll delete this. And we'll come back to the element tab here and we'll search for what B stands for. I would like you to add illustration of what you're looking for. So we'll go over to graphics and you want to search what looks like what you want them to color. So if you look at these two birds, they seem to look alike sort of. I will click on this bed and I will add it here, and I will increase the size and keep it here. Click on this bed, you see we have what we want them to color it to, and we'll have the bed we want them to color, and we also want them to color the letter. You might decide to leave the instruction also on the cover page. You can write. If you go over to text here, you click on add title, you start to write your coloring book. And let's increase the size, pull this one in, and let's click out, click back in, take it up. And we might also choose to give this an holo effect. It's also, let's just take the slider down, and yeah, you can design your coloring cover page, put text, put your elements you want to represent your cover page. You might also need to add instructions of what you want them to do from here. B for bed. If you duplicate this page, you continue to change the text. C for, you say what C is for, then you choose, you take out these images and choose what C is for, and so you will do it until you complete all the alphabets you want to do. And once you're done with that and you want to export your design, you click on share here, and when you click on download, you see it's on PDF standard. So if you are sending this online, you can download it as PDF, but if you are going to print it, you want to click this drop down and select PDF print. I like to leave mine as CMYK, and you click on download.